The parachutes used by the Golden Knights are flexible wing gliders constructed of lightweight ripstop nylon. These parachutes have an airborne airspeed of 22 miles per hour. To turn left, the jumper pulls down on the left steering line. To turn right, the jumper simply pulls down on the right steering line. As the jumper nears the ground, they will be leader for the gold demonstration team, Sergeant First Class Dustin Peregrine. Nicknamed Team 6, the pilots who fly the team aircraft average over 5,500 flying hours per aviator. And the maintenance technicians who have the mission of keeping these aircraft flying average over 10 years of military experience.
Logo on that canopy. Once it's breaking off, you'll get back down to the Airshow just to show this wreck. She is literally squashed into a rear corner in that cockpit. Right along to the ride. Finally kicks it out. Coming downhill.
I don't care how to make it.
Yeah, that's perfect. Thanks, guys.
Smoke is on. Watch her come down. See how long she can hold it. Whoa, right over the top of the engine. Hold that air coming back down.
Maneuver. Each jumper is using his hands, arms, legs, and shoulders as flight controls. And there you have the high flying black and gold of your United States Army parachute team, the Golden Knights. Now, as you may have guessed, these jumpers are facing with you. These two parachutes appear to become entangled, but that is not the case. They are performing a facet of the sport called canopy relative work. With the advanced aerodynamic design of these ram air parachutes, it is possible for one jumper to fly into the hands of another without adversely affecting his flight characteristics. The formation you see here is called a biplane. As the other jumpers enter a target area. There you are! Now, as the biplane enters the target area, if you thought landing one parachute was hard, try landing two. If you listen closely, you may hear the jumpers call the word break right before they hit the ground. There we go. 1, 2, all jumpers on the ground.
That's what I mean.
Yep, no problem. Okay, that's fine.
It's so late right now. I think two guys walked up, found tickets out there, walked up and scanned them on here. I bet it was. I know it. Yeah. I know, that's what I mean. Yeah, you have to go through it? I don't. It takes a lot of time.
Well, they were selling over here, but it's closed up now.
It's sold out tonight.
Is it sold out now? You know what? Just